Now that the T-app is all over the news, it's not impossible that someone you posted about could get the idea to file a lawsuit. How do you defend yourself?
Well, it's a free country. The First Amendment protects free speech.
Well, actually...
Defamation is not considered protected free speech, so there are legal consequences for it. Every condition in this list needs to be met for something to qualify as defamation. First, a false statement of fact, not an opinion, about the plaintiff. So it has to identify the guy you're talking about and make a statement that can be proven true or false. Opinions are subjective, so there's no way to prove them with evidence, and everyone has a right to express their opinion.
That's my opinion!
That's what free speech is. Second, publication to at least one third party. If you're on T, that's absolutely a third party because a bunch of people on the app can see it. Third, fault amounting to at least negligence. It means that you didn't necessarily have to be lying on purpose, but you didn't bother to check whether or not it was true. And last but not least, it causes harm to his reputation. So just because he's really mad about it doesn't always mean he can prove there was harm to his reputation. He has to measure and prove damages with evidence. So if your statement doesn't check all of these boxes, he's not likely to make a successful defamation claim against you. But if you've been serving, and need to defend yourself against defamation allegations, here are the strongest defenses. Truth. Prove the statement is substantially true. Come with receipts. I know it's hard. It's not like every moment of our lives is recorded and saved. Or is it? Opinion. Statements of opinion are protected free speech. This can be a tricky one though, and it's a pretty case-by-case situation sometimes. So if you're not sure, it wouldn't hurt to consult with a lawyer to make sure that your statement qualifies as an opinion. Sometimes it's pretty cut and dry though. He's creepy. How can you prove that? You can't. It's an opinion. He's a chomo. Well, that alleges criminal behavior. That could be defamatory. He's DL. That depends on some other context. A lawyer has to know the full story to make the best determination here. And hey, I get it. Sometimes we get carried away. It could be that he does have a valid case for defamation. But that doesn't mean you can't defend yourself and use the best strategies available to protect your privacy and your sanity during this process. It's worth having at least a consultation with an attorney if you're faced with a lawsuit. Don't just Google attorney near me. You should find an attorney that has specific experience with online defamation.